In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do in the notes field. The notes is a little bit complicated. That's why I'm separating it into a different video apart from the 5 fields video. So I'm going to talk about research. There's 3 points really, 3 things that you'll see in the notes section. You'll see 1, research. You'll see skip trace numbers, 2. And you'll see notes or updates, 3. So research basically looks like this. You'll see APN number. You'll see these 6 things with the 3 dots in front of it: estimated value, listed for sale, loan balance, in foreclosure, estimated equity, owner occupied, and then you'll see square feet. Sometimes one of these will be missing. Sometimes they'll all be missing. But if there's numbers, which is the second thing, then it doesn't matter. You just call it anyways because it's got a number in there. So this one's a perfect example. As you can see, I skip traced it. And people have already started calling these. And you can see someone has already spoke with the owner, Joe Carrasco, through this number. And he did actually, no, this is not the owner. He said it's north of him, and yes, it's vacant. So anyways, so yeah, that's, the first part will be the research part. Then underneath that, you'll see the skip tracing part. And then underneath that, if anything more happens, there will be notes and updates, which will look like this. It'll look like 2/22 is today's date, and then the time. Now this is a little bit more complicated, but the reason I have that set up is because I have it automated. I can just type in a keyword, D and 8, and it should pop up. Let's try that again. There we go. So I press D8, and it automatically fills that out for me. I'll add that to a bonus video if anybody's interested in that. It only really works on the Chrome browser, but I'll get into that later. But this is what an update looks like. You have, at the very least, a name and a date. And then next to it, you have, okay, I called and I left a voice message. And I have another key for that too. So I called and left a voicemail. So that's an event right there. That's an update. You need to add that to notes. And like I said in the last video, anything that you do that's related to this lead, you should definitely take note of it. Even if it's like the most pointless thing ever. Like let's say I drove by the property, dropped off a note on the door. You still should add that. So let's say someone calls off of that note. Who's going to get the credit? Not you, because you didn't add it in the notes. So that's my point. You have to add everything that is related to that property into the notes. I feel like I'm saying notes a lot, and I'm running on and on and on about this. So I think I'm going to end the video here. I think I pretty much covered everything. If you see something different in the notes in different leads or items, go ahead and try and figure it out. If you can't figure out what you're looking at, go ahead and message me in the chat feature up here. My name is Daniel Horn, and you'll see it here. You can just type in Daniel. It won't pop up for me because I can't message myself, but search me up and contact me. Send me a quick message, and I will try and get back to you as soon as I can. All right, see you in the next video.